Hello, thank you for coming back to my channel. So you see this yummy coconut rice. So let's make it together. So in my blender, I just have coconut and water. I'm just blending this with enough water so I can extract the juice. Then I just sieve it out using my sieve. I had to call my husband to help me. Yeah, so that's my coconut milk. I just fried this gravy, coconut and some dried fish. Then the remaining oil, I just fried my rice to make it a little bit crispy. Added my coconut milk, then added my seasoning cubes, added some salt. So I made stew earlier and I had some stuff. I just added it to my coconut rice. Division of labor from who is frying our plantain that we're going to enjoy our coconut rice with. So our rice is boiling. I added some masala seasoning, aroma, added some pepper, red pepper. I love pepper. So at this point the rice is almost cooked. I added my gravy so we can start cooking as well. The aroma in this kitchen already. So I just put in my fried carrots and fried dried fish. Please like this video if you're enjoying it. Please share my video and our coconut rice is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. See you in my next video.